Hello everyone, especially to all the bulletins out there. Hello. Thank you for supporting my channel. At ito, panoorin natin yung naging performance ng G22 sa ating Pasko ng Acer. So, ayun, nakita ko dito, nag-perform sila ng Boomerang, Limitless, Musika. Hindi ko pa yun napakinggan ever. And yung ating Pasko with SB19, no? Tingnan muna natin yung Boomerang. So, ayun guys. Check natin.
Even more
Oh, di ba? Yung mama, si Ted. Yun, di ba? Mama ni Justin, si Tito Gemma. Yung, tapos yung father ni Justin. Sino? Hindi ko pa, ano yung ibang coaches doon. So, very supportive talaga yung parents ni Justin.
Please, make some noise for the fierce, edgy, and the female alphas of P-pop, Althea, Jazz, and AJ. Ladies and gentlemen, G22!
Napapaos na siya. Grabe yung pag-hype niya sa boses niya. Okay. Grabe yung supportive ng fans. I like it. Babalik na. So, fierce and beautiful. Malit lang yung stage, no? Tingnan niya. Simple lang. Walang dalawang parol lang. Tatlong parol. Taas. Then, monitor na. Mga lights sa gilid. Oh! Wala nang mga...
We are G22! I'm Jazz, I'm Althea, what's up, I'm AJ!
Casting naman ang intro nila.
Let's go! You ready for what? Don't you complain like I got
Yan.
you caged.
Tingnan natin live na. First time ko mapanood na live na Boomerang.
You're just a pawn on my boy. You acting tough when you high on me, go knock knock on my door. Hitting you low. You wanna leave.
Unang bang narinig nung
Keep me back, no
with kaya, pero di ko kasi marinig talaga doon na pangit yung audio doon. Ito yung talaga, clear talaga. Grabe yung conversation narinig ko yung boses ni AJ. Grabe
Look back inside, boomerang. Give my boomerang.
Mas ganda ng steps niya.
This is how it's played. This one trophies are for. It's like hiding by four. This is not a competition, but a revolution. Are you clear with your vision? You need the doctor's prescription. You acting tough when you high on you don't lie. Knock on my door when your head on low. You wanna leave, can't buy. You keep the key.
Grabe yung stage presence ni AJ. Chess! Oh, grabe. Ang hirap yung kumanta ha. Tapos, sasayaw.
Bounce back, 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 bounce back. Bounce back, back, baby, bounce back.
Oh, yun oh. Yun pala, may dance break pala dito. Hey guys. Mapapasayaw talaga pag napapanood mo sila, diba? Kahit hindi tayo marunong sumayaw.
coming back again, he loved me like a boomerang. Want him like a kid who want it. Hey, I say what's up, but I know that you're back again. Even when I try to throw it, boomerang. Like a boomerang, look back inside, boomerang. Back to my boomerang. Keep on coming back again, you love me like a boomerang.
Grabe na. Opening ng ano nila yan. First song pa lang.
Ready, aim, shoot. We are G22.
Ano ba yun? G.
Hello, mga! Ako po si Jazz.
Wow.
Hello, guys. I am Althea po. What's up, guys? I'm AJ.
Yeah. Mga fans.
Hello, everyone. Bago sa lahat. Maligayang Pasko! Thank you.
Diyos. Lumalabas yung pagkakulit.
Natutuwa kami. Ay, daming adjectives. Kasi, syempre, nandito
Si,
yung
ano
Easter fam.
si Just di ba
nandito
yung
80s,
pinaka-bata sa kanila?
Nandito yung Bullets. Nandito yung...
Bullets, 18.
Thank you everyone so
Oh.
much! Ayan, tama yun. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta and celebrating December 1 with us. Grabe,
December 1
bilis ng
pala
panahon.
to.
At
December
syempre,
na.
ngayong Pasko, hindi mawawala syempre yung mga kasama natin sa buhay. Di ba, Althea?
Yes. Itong susunod na kanta namin, nirelease namin to nung pinakamahirap na time ng G22.
That's right.
Oh.
And also,
Ito ba
gusto
yung
lang namin na
musika?
tandaan nyo na every time na tinutugtog namin tong kanta na to, kayo
Napapaiyak.
yung isa sa naging inspirasyon, kayo yung naging isa sa laban, at gusto rin namin na matandaan nyo yung mga magiging musika nyo or musika nyo sa buhay.
Musika sa
This song
buhay.
is musika.
Okay, sige. Tingnan natin yung musika.
Ikaw lang mahal.
Guitar, ano, acoustic ba to?
Tunog ng gitara, himig ng kanta.
Hindi ko na talapos sa voice quality ni AJ.
Hiwaga mong dala, kayawaning musika. Meron po kayong light sticks, flashlights, please do raise them for us.
Parang beauty queen niya. Si Just.
Hindi na maalala ng iyong mata ang aking mukha. Mahal, huwag kang mag-alala. Tanda naman ang puso ang
Ang daming part ni,
itsura
ano,
ng
AJ.
pagsinta.
May kabuses si AJ. Kuminsan parang ka-tembre niya si Moira.
Ay babalik nung una kang nakita.
Muli ka liligawan na muli kong maranasan na umibig sa akin sa lupa.
Ikaw lang mahal, laman ng tula, tunog ng gitara, himig ng kanta. Kumupos man ang tili ay hindi mawawala. Hiwaga mong dala. Mawa,
Sa MOA ba to?
aking musika. Kumutak
Bagay kay AJ yung kanta.
gumawa ng melody para pisti mo'y pula. Ay, memorya ko man ay wala, nakatatak na sa tadhana minsan.
Grabe yung
sa'yo namangha.
mukha ni ano, Just. Beauty queen talaga.
Kung nababalik mo
Wow.
sana, ay babalik
Wow, lapit sila sa Burgess. Yan, may pa-selfie na kaagad. Yan yung mga CQ.
Abot ang walang hanggan ang storya nating dalawa.
Ikaw lang mahal. Laman ng tula,
Nakakatuwa yung security guard. Maliit talaga yung station. Sunod-sunod talaga yung siguro kay Jazz. Siya siguro naka-assign kay Jazz. So, ito naman kay Althea. Yan, tumakbo na sila. Okay na. Gusto ko to yung kanta na to. Maganda yung mga slow song ng G22 ha. Babalik, saka ito pa lang yung slow song na nakakapinggan ko.
Wow!
Wow, di ba? Pareho ka rin
Siyempre
sila.
ngayong Pasko, kasama natin ang mga musika natin. Yung nandun para sa atin through thick and thin. And isa yon, isa si Acer sa nagbigay sa amin ng madaming opportunities this year. Kaya isa sila sa aming mga musika. Kaya maraming ulit. Salamat, Acer, for being there for us, for being there for G22.
Hindi lang maligayang ang Pasko namin, pati yung buong year namin and the time we spent with the whole Acer fam. So again, maraming salamat.
Yes, thank you so much po.
Ayun yung song parang nakaka-touch and parang hinihili ka din and kasi nakakataba din ng puso yung feeling ng song. Ngayon, tingnan naman natin ngayon yung Limitless nila na performance. Sing it. Sing it. Nakakatuwa si AJ. Ito, Limitless. Ito yung kinompose ni Pablo. Wow! Grabe yung ano ni Jazz.
So we out of sight and way. Release all this energy. This energy. Tell me what's impossible that will make it all possible. We're positioned like this, situation no missions in it. I'm breaking new ground with a new sound. Yeah, it worked out, but it's not all. Just so much shit. What if I fuse now? You're confused how?
Yes! Check!
Now I'm in God mode. I send energy will light the darkest road. And if I drive, I know I will be fine. There's no doubt in my mind, combined with intelligence divine.
We mark our own destiny. Take flight till we out of sight and way.
Ito yung kantang ano talaga very powerful.
This energy, this energy. I know there's more inside of me. This heart and mind and technology will break the chains of frailty. I am limitless. Hey. No limit to what I can do. Coming through, calibrated, every flow, innovative, unimpeded. Circuits in line with my soul. That's the limits of a core. More. I am limitless.
I am limitless. I don't even try to
Oh, rap na pala dito si Althea.
Cause I'm mindful, got my
Oh,
blindfold.
si Jazz din.
So that it's show walking like Michael. AI, I'm ready. AI, I'm ready. Cook my spaghetti, top with secret recipe. Enhance everything with technology, be in harmony. Now poof, skies are open, stars of a billion. Get steady, ready. Shoot.
Our own destiny. Take flight till we out of sight and way. Release all
Grabe
this
mo yung ano
energy.
nila, costume na tingnan nyo. Grabe yung creativity.
I know there's more inside of me. This heart of mine and technology will break the chains of frailty.
Kaya din ni AJ yung high notes.
Limitless. Hey, let's go. Hey. No limit to what I can do. Coming through, calibrate every move in a bit unimpeded. Circuits in line with my soul. Past the limit. stole me from before. But out there's so much more. So open up the door. There's no containing this wisdom of revelation. Will surpass our own dimensions. I am limitless.
Diba, parang si Stella at si Josh doon nag-duet yung part na yun.
Again, thank you, Acer!
Maligayang Pasko!
Thank you, Bulletin!
Bulletin! Okay. Si Josh na nagsabi Bulletin, thank you daw. Okay. Ngayon guys, natapos na natin yung performances ng G22. So, hindi na natin napanood yung ating Pasko na performance nila with SB19. Next time na lang. So, ayan. Dito, napakita talaga ng G22 na kaya nila mag-perform ng live. Saka nakaka-hype up din ng audience. So, natutuwa ako sa nung bumaba sila sa stage, yun, na karoon ng chance yung mga fans na makita sila talaga closer. Diba? And yung nakita na ko sa security guard na yun na sunod kay Jazz. Na-miss din ako sa slow song nila na musika. So, first time ko yun na pakinggan na yun, nagustuhan ko din. And, yun, nakaka-enjoy itong performances nila. So, lahat ng mga bulletin, yun, follow natin yung mga social pages ng G22 at saka yung mga music videos nila at sa mga ganap nila. Supportahan din natin. And sana nag-enjoy din kayo sa panonood ng videos na to. And please like this video. Pwede po kayong mag-leave ng comment kung meron po kayong mga suggestion. And subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.